Today I'm gonna talk about Punjabi word Raz. So basically this word has three meanings. Raz means could be empire, it could be a domination, or it could be a secret. So now how about you know what does it mean when it has three meanings? So well you would find out through the context. So let's learn with examples. For example, if you wanna say Alexander Great had a big empire, right? So it means in Punjabi, Sikandar Kole Badda Raj ਸੀ, right? Sikandar Kole Badda Raj ਸੀ. So Sikandar is a name of Alexander Great in Punjabi. Another example, Odi Seda Ki Raja. So it means what is the secret of his fitness? Odi Trakki Da Ki Raja. It means what is the secret of his success? So are you noticing here we are talking about a secret, right? So Raj means also secret. Now let's take how we use it as a domination. For example, America दुनिया ते राज करदा गा. It means USA dominates the world or domination over the world, all the country, right? Usain Bolt dominated 100 meter. Usain Bolt ने 100 मीटर ਦੀ ਰੇਸ ਤੇ ਰਾਜ ਕੀਤਾ. So if you say Raja instead of Raj, so Raja means a king. So it's pretty simple, similar. Raj could be empire. Raja means king. All right. Manchester City, the Premier League te Raja. It means Manchester City dominates the Premier League. So if you don't know what is the Premier League is a football or soccer league in England. So anyway guys, that's how you can use this Punjabi word Raz in three different ways in different situations. Basically, if somebody is talking about a king, basically he's talking about an empire. If somebody is talking about a player or celebrity, so basically they are talking about domination because they dominate in that particular industry, right? So if somebody is talking about somebody's success, stuff like that, or the secret of their fitness, stuff like that, you would know through the context. So it means they are talking about a secret, all right? Like Odi Seda Ki Raja, like I said before. So what is the secret of his fitness? All right, I hope you learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson another day.